What's good, Habibi?
Yo.
Yo, can you help me record real quick?
Yeah, I got you, Habibi.
This is my camera.
I actually got you this.
Yeah,
Let them know who got you this camera, bro.
Yeah, you found the deal. You found the deal.
Right.
Everybody can thank him for starting this.
Yeah. Everyone thank me in the comments.
Yeah, everyone go down in the comments, say fuck you, hater. So today we're starting the NU build. I don't think I've done much besides the wheels.
Yo, tell them how you got the wheels, yo.
Okay.
That's a crazy story.
Yeah, that's a
crazy story.
So, my friend, unfortunately, blew up his Fiat. His Fiat's really nice. But he blew it up, and he was like, oh, it's too expensive to fix. He was like, yo, I'm about to sell it to this shop for $200. I was like, $200? So I was like, yo, I'll take it. I'll pay you $200. And then he was like, nah, man, you can just have it.
For free.
Gave it to me for free.
For free.
Came with these OZs on it. They're 4x100. Put them on my car, and I want to see. Rest is history. But today, just a small little upgrade. I don't like the black mirror covers because I want it to match the Arctic white paint. The way you change it, it's gonna break your heart, yeah.
Are you serious?
Yeah, like.
You have to break it off?
Hold it, like. You see that? It's gonna match the paint.
Yeah.
It looks better.
It came painted. That's crazy.
From factory too. So it's like perfect paint. But look, watch. This is how you take it off. I've already taken this side off, so this one comes easier. But look. So it's just one clip here, one clip there, and one clip here. Also these like kind of pinch clips. So yeah, you just line it up. And it should just pop right on. Yeah, I feel like I'm breaking you.
Bro, send it, bro.
Send it, bro.
Send it.
Yo, shut the fuck up, yo. You're scaring him, you're scaring him. Oh, okay, alright, yeah.
That's beautiful, yo.
It does look nice. How much was it?
I think the covers are like 50 bucks each.
50?
50 each?
Yeah.
But it's not painted, so.
50? Right, there you got it.
What do you guys think, yo? I think this side looks better than that side.
Yeah, bro. That actually goes nice.
This side hasn't been popped off.
So break it.
Yeah. Fucking hell, yeah.
Why?
Oh, God. Dude, shit's on. Oh my God. Fucking hell.
I went to go pick up
Yo, this shit is on tight.
You're gonna have to break our hearts real quick, yeah.
Yeah, I know. I think I'm gonna have to straight. Just, you know, just give it a little.
Hey.
Comes off mad easy, yo. It's nothing.
Should we get the engine lifter in here? Go ahead, break that right off.
If I have Jerome take it off, this whole mirror is coming off. Me and Hater picked up an engine.
Yeah. Nah, tell them what the original price for the engine was for.
No, it was $100. He's gonna charge me $100.
That's really good.
Yeah, but I mean it's blown. Keep in mind it's blown.
Then Ray was a menace to society.
Oh my God,
Tell him
bro.
how much you offered him for the engine.
I was like, yo, I'm not paying fucking $100 for a blown engine. Mind you though, they go for like 1,000 working. So I was like, I'm not paying fucking $100 for a blown engine. I was like, yo, I'll give you 20 bucks for it. He was like, all right, yeah, I'll fucking
Yo,
take
to be
20
honest,
bucks.
bro, you could have got it for
I
free
know,
as well,
I
but
know.
You know what? We're good people,
What are you
yo.
guys talking about?
No, we're not.
We're talking about, oh wait, we're not. We're talking about that engine he got for 20 bucks.
Yeah, you could have got that.
Are you ready? It's nothing, bro. It's easy. It's really easy. Just fucking, you know.
Oh, there he goes, there he goes.
Alright, I think I figured it out.
What, from here?
Yeah, I think so. It's just gonna hurt though. Oh, there we go. Oh, yo, I just fucked all the clips. Oh, God.
Holy fuck.
Oh, that sounds so bad. Oh, God. Alright, it came off.
That came off.
Alright, so that's off. Now, just grab the new one right here. Take it out of the plastic. Nice Arctic white mirror cover. Turn this back out. And just pop it back in, I guess. There you go. Oh shit. There you go, looks way better. Alright, so mirror covers are on. This obviously is a bit brighter than my paint because this is brand new, and also my paint's kind of dirty with car wash. But yeah, 2 mirror covers on. I've been wanting to do this for a while. I really like it. Yo, what you guys think of it?
I love it, bro. That looks. I thought that was 7 out of 10. I never noticed it.
Yeah, guys, comment down below. Let me know what you guys think. I think it looks really nice. It's a subtle thing, but it adds a lot. Next video should be lighting. We should be doing some lighting mods. But yeah, stay tuned, guys. Episode 2 coming soon.